guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nadine West. This is a monthly clothing subscription, and I'm hoping this month they sent some summer stuff because it's so hot outside, and the past couple things I've gotten were like long sleeves or what I would consider fall stuff. So let's take a look. Looks like I got 3 tops, a bottom, and a dress and a necklace. This is probably the dress. Maybe not. Maybe so. Sometimes it's hard to tell on the little thing they give you. Sometimes it tells the colors, but this is very long. Sleeves are cut out. Just plain. This would be good with leggings. Does it have pockets? I feel like it does. Yep, and it has pockets. A lot of their dresses have pockets, and a lot of times I don't even know to show you until I go to take pictures and I realize it has pockets. Pants. They sent me some really awesome shorts in the past, and I was hoping to get shorts, but I will wear these too. Pockets, love that. Brown. They're kind of tapered there at the bottom. Very nice. And then there's a necklace in with that one. Super fancy looking, but very tangled. Let me see if I can... Oh, I see what happened. There we go. That wasn't too bad. So it's just a very long chain. Is adjustable there. It's pretty. And then we should have some tops in here. Ooh. That's cute. That's really cute. Very thin spaghetti straps. The back has a little cutout in it. Very cute. That's adorable. I like that a lot. I think it might be too short on me, but I will see when I try that on. I do insert pictures of everything at the end. I know some people hate that I don't do try-ons, but I personally would rather see the clothes like up close, because I feel like it doesn't help. If you see it on someone else, it's not going to look the same way on you. So this shirt, again, might be a little short on me because it has like this little tie in the front. And then the last one is long sleeves, and by Shiela Rose. That's what that looks like. I used to get a lot of hippie chick clothes, but now they send a lot of Shiela Rose brand. So got a mix of some like fall, some short sleeve tops as well. How this works is they do give you a little piece of paper. I do get this for free, so my prices are marked out, but I will put them with the pictures so you kind of know how much everything is. But you keep what you want, and whatever you don't want, you put it back in the bag, put this label, return label that's on the back, and then you just mail it back to them. They only charge you for what you keep. So I have a whole playlist if you want to see more kind of bags, what you kind of get every month, and then I will insert the pictures and the prices at the end. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.